Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the dirty work of comparing products, so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums and mops. On the left side, we have the Tikom robot vacuum and mop, and on the right, the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum. It's time to find out which one will suck the dirt better. Let's kick things off with the price. Tikom comes in at a wallet-friendly $299. Meanwhile, the Loorow is strutting in at a hefty $599. For that price difference, Loorow better come with a personal butler and a foot massage. If you're on a budget, Tikom is already looking like the smart buy. Tikom boasts a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature with the latest mopping technology. It's like having a tiny janitor with a water pump in your home. Plus, it has gyroscope smart navigation, which improves cleaning efficiency by 30%. On the other hand, Loorow counters with PressaSense LiDAR navigation. Sounds fancy, right? It uses lasers to create accurate maps and clean more intelligently. Basically, it's like having a tiny, floor-cleaning Jedi. Now, let's talk suction power. Tikom offers a respectable 2700 PA suction. It's like a vacuum cleaner on steroids. But wait, Loorow steps in with a monstrous 4500 PA suction power. This thing could probably suck up your soul if you're not careful. So if you have a pet that sheds like it's getting paid for it, Loorow might be your new best friend. Convenience is key. Tikom returns to its charging station automatically when the battery is low. It's like a teenager who actually remembers to charge their phone. As for Loorow, it has a self-empty dock that holds up to 60 days of dirt. That's 2 whole months of not dealing with dust bunnies. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a self-cleaning oven. Plus, Loorow has a 120-minute runtime. It's like the marathon runner of vacuums. Both vacuums work with apps and are compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Tikom offers 5 cleaning modes, while Loorow ups the ante with 6. It's like a cleaning mode arms race. Loorow even lets you customize your cleaning routine with virtual walls and no-go zones. It's basically the control freak's dream come true. Tikom has carpet boost and boundary strips, making it perfect for those who want to keep their carpet spotless and their robot out of certain areas. Loorow, on the other hand, comes with a treasure trove of accessories: a self-empty charging station, cleaning brush, water tank, mopping cloths, side brushes, dust bags, and HEPA filters. It's like unboxing a robot vacuum Christmas. Tikom is praised for its efficiency, smart navigation, and affordability. Reviewers love its quiet operation and effective cleaning, particularly noting its ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously. On the other hand, Loorow receives high marks for its powerful suction, advanced mapping, and convenience features like the self-emptying dock. However, some users find its app navigation a bit tricky. So there you have it. Tikom is the budget-friendly, efficient cleaner with smart navigation and solid features. Loorow is the high-end, powerful beast with all the bells and whistles you could dream of. Which one is right for you? Do you want to save some cash with Tikom? Or are you ready to splurge on the Loorow luxury? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hilarious and helpful product comparisons. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.